guys, Jan here instead of most awesome Cupcake, and welcome to a little information about me. So, some of you have talked about me, and one of you have asked about what kind of bird I am. Well, I'm a cockatiel. My name is Jan, and I am 2.5 years, I think. Oh well. That's who I am. Cupcake and I have kind of a love-hate relationship. I keep biting her and surprising her when she's playing. And I love annoying her. I can say kiss kiss, which means kiss kiss, because I'm that awesome. Whoa! There we go. But no, seriously. We have kind of a love-hate relationship. He hates me. I love him. He can be a bit annoying sometimes. He loves my mom. Like, adores her. And when she's in my room, he's like, "Get me out of here!" You know, the cage, and wants to go over to her. And he keeps biting me sometimes. Sometimes he get a little flip and will just attack me out of nowhere. And if she's in the room, he will really attack me just to be like, "Get out of this room. Get out of my territory." Is it like it? I am trying my best. Here you go. So yeah. That ain't true. I am the sweetest bird in the world. He hates me. Maybe it's because I have a camera up in his face. He's not right. Yeah, sorry. Ah, fuck it. Come. And then they just throw it away, usually. Aren't you pretty? It looked kind of scary there. Please don't attack him. But he's like, "I don't want anything to do with you sometimes, unless I got food on my table." And then he's like, "Whoom!" He's like, "Yum!" And then he's over in my face and want to taste whatever I have. So he's picky as hell and is like, "What the fuck are you giving me? I don't want that." Isn't that right, huh? Oh, he's like ready to bite. Ain't you? Huh? Ain't you cute? He doesn't like me. Ooh, sorry. I hit the stick in his cage. Right. So, can you say bye-bye, Jinjin? Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.